Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Linus Pro and we are going to create a symbolic link. This is lab 2.10.5. So your company uses a proprietary graphics program called Imitator. The program is stored in the /root directory. Margie Brown, which needs to create and modify image changes. Needs to modify images using the imitator program. So in this lab, the task is to create a symbolic link file /root/imitator as follows. Use the imitator link as a symbolic link name. Create the link file in /home /mbrown. So that is all we need to do in this lab. So we'll go ahead and just start lab. So we'll wait for the lab to load. And so in case you need insider spec, detailed video one-on-one guide on how to solve any of the tests at lab, you may want to consider joining my professional membership, where you get a detailed video guide on how to solve any of the tests at lab at all. Alright, so let's just wait for the lab to load. Alright, so this lab is loaded. We'll go ahead and open terminal. Type in ln-s /ruth/imitator /home /mbrown /imitator _link. Then you press enter. And we'll go ahead and score lab. If you find this video to be helpful, remember to like and subscribe to the channel, share so that others can benefit also. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.